Monday tiptoesing with a brand new start, bringing silly giggles and a happy heart. Tuesday twirls with a whoosh and a spin, smiling wide as the fun begins. Wednesday wiggles right into the middle, humming a tune like a playful fiddle. Thursday hops by with a jump so high, tickling clouds in the bright blue sky. Friday zooms fast on a rainbow slide, laughing loud on a joyful ride. Saturday stretches with a sleepy grin, ready for games, let the fun begin. Sunday hums softly calm and sweet, with cozy cuddles and a gentle beat. 7 happy days in a silly